How we doing, guys? My name is Chane Eckhardt. I am the drummer of Oak Forest, Illinois-based Havens. Really excited to announce that I am now an endorsee of Collision Drumsticks from the UK. Absolutely honored to be working with such a wonderful brand and a wonderful team of people. My sticks of choice are the 5BR or the 5B Reach sticks. Those are going to be your 5B in dimension, but they are a little bit longer. I really prefer their length. They feel more like an extension of my arm rather than just a pair of sticks. The song that I'll be choosing to play for you guys today is off of our EP, It Could Be Worse. It's called Happy Again. Hope you enjoy. Once more, that was our song Happy Again off our EP, It Could Be Worse. You can find it on any streaming service that you guys prefer or use primarily. I'm really excited to continue working with Collision and very thankful to get this opportunity to work with them. So more updates to come in the future, of course. Stay safe, everyone. Much love.